The purpose of this video is to highlight and reflect on my Nearpod lesson, which is an internet-based tool that allows educators to create an interactive lesson that can be student-led, teacher-led, or both. This lesson is for third grade math, and the grade level content standard is fluently add and subtract within 1000 to solve problems. The ISTE standard for this lesson is 1.1c Empowered Learner Feedback to Improve Practice. The standards are laid out in the I can statements, which are I can add within 1000 to solve problems, and I can subtract within 1000 to solve problems. This lesson is teacher-led since everything is already laid out for the students and they are told exactly what to do. My opening activity that acted as my hook was the two videos I included in the beginning of the lesson. These videos serve as an entertaining preview of what we will learn, as well as an educational review of the content. Not only do the students watch the videos, but there is a collaborative board for one video and integrated questions for the other video. For whatever reason, the first video doesn't seem to want to show up, like mentioned on the last slide, but if you click on the Watch on YouTube link, the video comes up. And here is the collaborative board. Here we have the second video, and we have the first question, which is what is the other word he uses for regrouping? And the second question, which is how do you think they will subtract 8 tens from 3 tens? What will they have to do? And the students should complete the video. For the rest of the lesson, there are various types of activities included. The first two activities are Draw It, which is where the students are given a math problem, addition in the first one, and subtraction in the second one. And then they are asked to draw out the steps for how they solve the problem. This shows me if they know how to solve an addition and subtraction problem with regrouping, and if they get it wrong, I can see which step in solving they need to work on. The next activity is a matching game, where students match the math problem to the correct answer. This also shows me whether they are capable of solving an addition or subtraction problem, but doesn't point out to me what they need to work on if they get it incorrect. After that, there are two open-ended questions that each include one math problem, and students are told to explain how they would solve this problem. They can explain through writing or through a recorded audio. This is one of the ways I provided accessibility. Another way I provided accessibility is that I included audios of me reading the text on the screen whenever it was possible. That is the play buttons throughout the presentation that you can see on plenty of the screens, such as right here. Show your work for solving the subtraction problem. Additionally, I provided accessibility by having a variety of activity types, which caters to a wide array of learning styles. These activities will help students learn by giving them practice to improve their adding and subtracting skills. I concluded my lesson by including a time to climb, which is essentially a quiz in the format of a game. There are some questions about the concepts and application of adding and subtracting, as well as multiple choice questions where students have to solve the math problems. Students immediately see what they get right and what is not correct, which helps them know if they are on track or not. If I see that students are getting the questions right, then I know that they have met the standard. By planning and designing this lesson using Nearpod, I have learned a lot more about the tools on the Nearpod platform. With this, I've become more comfortable using Nearpod, and I look forward to using it as a tool when I am a teacher.